Most AI quiz tutorials show you the fun part, generating questions, and skip everything else. The grading, the security, the reporting, the deployment, nobody walks you through the full workflow. And that's exactly where the real time gets wasted. Not in creating questions. In everything that comes after. I just finished building a complete assessment from scratch using ProProfs Quiz Maker. From AI-generated questions all the way to automated grading, certificates, and deployment. And I'm going to walk you through every single step. So in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process of building a professional quiz using ProProfs Quiz Maker and its built-in AI. If you haven't heard of it, ProProfs Quiz Maker is best known for easily creating secure quizzes and assessments with AI or templates. And once you see the full workflow, you'll understand why that positioning is earned, not just marketing. Not just the question generation. I'm talking about setting up partial and custom grading, configuring instant feedback so your learners actually retain what they studied, locking down security with proctoring and randomization, and deploying the whole thing through a centralized portal where you can track every learner's progress. By the end of this, you'll know how to go from a blank screen to a fully deployed, auto-graded assessment in minutes. Let's start with why most quizzes fail before anyone even takes them. Why quiz quality matters more than quiz speed. Here's the thing nobody talks about when it comes to AI-generated quizzes. Speed was never the real problem. Most tools can generate 20 questions in 10 seconds. The problem is that those 20 questions are usually worthless. There's a concept in learning science called the testing effect. When you ask someone to actively recall information right after learning it, their retention jumps significantly compared to just having them passively read a document or sit through a slide deck. So a well-designed quiz doesn't just measure whether someone learned something, it actually makes the learning stick. But here's the catch, that only works if the questions are good. If your quiz is full of surface-level, keyword-matching questions that anyone can guess their way through, you're not testing comprehension, you're testing pattern recognition. And your compliance records are essentially meaningless. That's the trap a lot of teams fall into. They use an AI tool to save time. The questions look okay at a glance, they ship it. And then 6 months later, nobody can actually recall the training material because the assessment never challenged them to think. So when I evaluate any quiz tool, the first thing I look at isn't how fast it generates questions. It's whether those questions are scenario-based, contextually relevant, and structured in a way that forces real retrieval. And that's exactly where ProProfs Quiz Maker caught my attention. Let me show you how it actually works. Getting started, creating your quiz. Alright, so here's the ProProfs Quiz Maker dashboard. Clean interface, no clutter. You immediately see what you need without digging through menus. To start, I'm going to click Create a Quiz. Right away, ProProfs Quiz Maker asks you to choose your quiz type, either a scored quiz or a personality quiz. Scored is what you'd use for training assessments, compliance checks, pre-employment screening, anything where you need to measure actual knowledge. Personality quizzes are more for things like culture fit assessments or leadership style evaluations. For today, we're going with scored quiz. Now here's where you get your first decision point. ProProfs Quiz Maker drops you onto the templates and question bank page, and this is actually a huge time saver even before you touch the AI. You've got 3 paths here. You can browse scored quiz templates that are pre-built and professionally designed. You can explore the question bank, which has over 1 million ready-to-use questions across hundreds of topics. Or you can go straight to AI generation, which is what I'm going to do in a second. But let me quickly show you the templates path first, because it's worth knowing about. Let's say you're hiring a marketing professional and you want to test their brand management knowledge. You'd search for that topic, find a matching template, and click View to see the details, the language, number of questions, and average completion time. If it looks right, you hit Use this assessment and it copies the entire quiz to your dashboard. From there, you can edit anything, change questions, add your logo, swap themes, and background images. That whole process takes maybe 2 minutes. And the question bank works similarly. If you want to add questions to an existing quiz, you search by keyword, browse the results, check the boxes next to the questions you want, and click Use these questions. They get added instantly, and you can modify or delete any of them as needed. But here's where it gets really interesting, the AI route. Let me build one from scratch. Creating a quiz with AI, live walkthrough. Alright, this is the part that genuinely changes the workflow. I'm building this live so you can judge the output quality for yourself. Inside ProProfs Quiz Maker, I'm clicking on Create with AI. This lets you describe a topic, set a few parameters, and the AI generates a complete quiz automatically. Every tool claims this. The difference is what comes out the other end. I'm creating a quiz on data privacy best practices for employees. This is something virtually every company needs, and it's also a topic where bad quiz questions are painfully obvious. Things like true or false. Data privacy is important. You've seen those. They're useless. I'll type in my topic, select 15 questions, and choose my question types. ProProfs Quiz Maker supports multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank, matching, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. I'm mixing formats because variety keeps people engaged and gives you a much better signal on actual comprehension. I'll also set a difficulty level, useful if you're building separate assessments for junior versus senior staff. Now I hit generate. Within seconds, a full quiz. And here's what I want you to pay attention to. Look at how the questions are framed. These aren't surface-level definition questions. They're scenario-based. They present a situation and ask the test taker what the correct course of action would be. The answer options include plausible distractors, options that would actually trip someone up if they hadn't engaged with the material. That's the difference between a quiz that measures knowledge and a quiz that measures whether someone can guess. Now this is your starting point, not the final product. You can edit any question, swap answer choices, reorder the sequence, add answer explanations that appear after someone submits their response, or layer in your own questions from the question bank on top. The drag and drop editor makes rearranging everything feel like moving cards around on a board. And here's the feature most people miss entirely. If you've already got a policy document, a training manual, or any written content, you can feed that directly into ProProfs Quiz Maker, and the AI will generate questions specifically from your material. So your assessment is perfectly aligned with what your team just studied. No mismatch between what you trained and what you're testing. You go from a 30-page compliance document to a fully aligned assessment in about 90 seconds. Automated grading and feedback. All right, questions are set. Now remember what I said at the top. This is the part most tutorials skip, and it's the part that actually matters for deployment. First, grading. For any quiz that uses objective question types, multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank, checkboxes, ProProfs Quiz Maker grades everything automatically. The moment someone submits, their total score, pass or fail result, correct and incorrect answer counts, and even letter grades are all generated instantly. No spreadsheets. No manual counting. But here's where the grading gets surprisingly sophisticated. You've got 3 modes. Regular grading is the default. A question is either right or wrong, full points or 0. Then there's partial grading, which is a big deal for questions with multiple correct answers. Let's say a question has 2 correct options out of 4. Instead of giving 0 points when someone picks one right answer and misses the other, partial grading distributes points across all options. So if someone gets 3 out of 4 decisions correct, they get 3 out of 4 points. That's a much more accurate measure of knowledge than an all-or-nothing approach. And then there's custom grading, where you manually assign specific point values to individual answer options. So you could weight certain answers higher than others based on how critical that knowledge is. This is particularly useful for compliance assessments, where getting certain questions wrong is a much bigger deal than others. On top of that, you've got negative marking to penalize random guessing on high-stakes exams, bonus points for things like completing assessments on time, and manual grading for essay and open response questions. Now here's a feature that trainers will love. You can set up automated feedback for every single answer. If someone gets a question right, they see a confirmation and an explanation of why that's correct. If they get it wrong, they can see the correct answer along with a link or explanation pointing them to the right material. And this feedback appears instantly. That kind of immediate reinforcement is exactly what the testing effect research says drives better retention. For reports, you've got 2 views. The gradebook report gives you a quick snapshot, total points and average scores across your learner group. And the full quiz report goes deeper with pass and fail rates, question level difficulty analysis, time per question breakdowns, and identification of exactly which topics your team is struggling with. That data tells you where to focus your next training session. Sharing, security, and deployment. All right, your quiz is built, grading is automated, feedback is configured. Now how do you actually get it in front of your team? This is the last piece of the workflow, and ProProfs Quiz Maker handles it cleaner than you'd expect. You've got several sharing options. You can email a direct quiz link, share via social media, embed the quiz directly on your website or intranet, so it looks like a native part of your platform. Print the quiz for offline use, or share it via a QR code that anyone can scan on their phone. The embed option means learners never leave your site. The quiz just sits right there inside your existing infrastructure. And the QR code is perfect for in-person training sessions or physical handouts, where you want people to jump straight into the assessment from their device. For managing learners within an organization, the groups feature is what you'll want to use. This lets you organize learners into classes, departments, or teams, so you can assign quizzes to specific groups, track progress by team, and pull reports at the group level. It's designed for companies managing their own employees or departments from a single dashboard. Now, if you're someone who works across multiple organizations, like a consultant, a training provider, or a freelance instructional designer, that's where the Classroom feature comes in. Classroom gives you a centralized learning portal, where each client or organization gets their own space. Learners log in with their own credentials, see all their assigned quizzes in one place, and you can manage everything across completely separate groups without any overlap. It's built for that multi-client workflow. Now layer the security features on top. You've got proctoring with webcam monitoring, automated screen captures, question randomization so no two learners see the same sequence, time limits, password protection, and IP-based access restrictions. For pre-employment screening or certification exams, these aren't optional. They're essential. Branding-wise, you can add your company logo, customize colors, and white label the entire experience. And the whole thing works across every device: desktops, laptops, tablets, phones, with no downloads required. You can even set up automatic certificates that generate the moment someone passes with a qualifying score, branded with your logo and digital signature. No manual follow-up needed. Plans and pricing. Before I wrap up, let me quickly walk you through what ProProfs Quiz Maker actually costs, because the pricing is straightforward and there's a free tier to get started with. First, there's a forever free plan. You get up to 12 questions per quiz and 90 days of report history. It's limited, but it's enough to test the platform and build a short quiz without spending anything. If you need more, the Essentials plan starts at $19.99 per month for up to 300 active quiz takers. That's billed annually. You get unlimited quizzes, unlimited questions, unlimited AI generation, full reporting history, timed exams, QR code sharing, grading customization, and everything we covered in this video. The business plan is $39.99 per month for up to 500 active quiz takers. This adds unlimited instructors, unlimited groups for organizing teams, private user accounts with secure logins, centralized quiz assignment, advanced reports, branding, certificates, and compliance reminders. And for larger organizations, the enterprise plan starts at $199.99 per month with custom quiz taker capacity. That's where you get multiple classrooms, API access, SSO and SAML integration, proctoring, a professional assessment library, and a dedicated account manager. All paid plans come with a 15-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it. So let me bring this full circle back to where we started. I told you most tutorials only show you the question generation and skip the rest. In this video, we covered the entire workflow, building a quiz with AI, setting up 3 different grading modes, including partial and custom scoring, configuring instant automated feedback, deploying through groups for internal teams or Classroom for multi-client management, and locking down security with proctoring and randomization. That's the full pipeline from blank screen to live assessment. And with ProProfs Quiz Maker, the entire thing takes minutes. I've linked ProProfs Quiz Maker's free trial in the description below. It costs nothing to try, and you'll have a working quiz deployed before your coffee gets cold. Give it a shot, and let me know in the comments what topic you build your first quiz on. I'm genuinely curious. If this walkthrough was useful, hit the like button. It actually helps more people find this kind of content. And if you want more no-nonsense breakdowns on the best AI tools for business, subscribe and turn on notifications, because I've got some good ones coming that I think you're going to find valuable. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.